trying to get a perfect AI response in one prompt. There is a better way. Iterative prompting means refining your request over multiple back-and-forth exchanges with the AI. Instead of sending one huge, detailed prompt and hoping for the best, you start simple and build up with each response. You evaluate what you get, then adjust your next message to improve it. Think of it as a conversation, not a one-time command. On each turn, you can ask the AI to fix something that is wrong, modify its output to match your style or requirements, or extend what it built with new functionality. Because the AI retains your conversation context, every follow-up builds directly on its previous answer. No need to repeat yourself. This is far more effective than trying to get a perfect result from one massive prompt. Take this example. First, you ask the AI to write a function that divides two numbers. It gives you a clean, simple function. Then you follow up. Add error handling for division by 0. The AI extends exactly what it wrote before. 2 focused prompts deliver better results than one bloated instruction every time. Iterative prompting. Refine across multiple turns, build on each response, and never expect perfection on your first try. Follow for more AI engineering tips. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.